What'd you have done yesterday?
Well, I had 3 herniated discs, and you have fixed the 2 worst ones.
Yes.
So I'm feeling really good.
All right. You had the Deuk laser disc repair. That's
Yes.
the name of the procedure. It was endoscopic, so we did it through an incision that big.
Tiny.
Yeah, tiny. And how you feeling?
I'm feeling really good.
You happy you did it?
Yes.
I know we did an interview yesterday with you right after surgery, and you told us a little bit about the problems you had before surgery. Can you just reiterate maybe what some of those problems were?
Well, I was in a motorcycle accident last year, May of last year, and my back generally before that was kind of iffy anyways, because I've had 5 kids and anyways. But with stretches and exercise daily, I was fine till the accident. And then I was sore, but I just kept going because my husband was in the accident as well, and I was taking care of him. And so I just kept going, taking care of everyone in the world, and kept working. And about 3 months ago, the back started going on high alert. And I started getting some physical therapy, seeing doctors for it, and that's when I started researching and finding that I really didn't want to fuse my back ever. So I researched hard, found a place in Tampa that did something different, and then thought there has to be someone here.
Closer.
Better. So I did my research.
Yeah.
I did get lucky because you're the closest one to me and you're the best one. So
Yeah, so
I did get lucky.
there are surgeries that, and you had left leg pain, right?
Oh, yes, the pain was radiating down my leg. That's the next level was that
Yeah.
it started radiating down my leg, and
you're
I had never done that
You're
before.
like, we got to get something done.
Yes.
Right? So there are surgeries that can be done, like traditional surgeries done elsewhere, like Tampa, where you can treat leg pain or leg symptoms, and that includes pain, like sciatic pain, weakness, numbness, or tingling. And then there are surgeries that treat back pain. And the surgeries that treat just leg symptoms are like microdiscectomy, laminectomy. They don't really treat the source of back pain. That's why people who have laminectomy and microdiscectomy, they end up still having the back pain.
Yeah.
And their doctors just say, just live with it, go do therapy, take pain pills. And so you've got all these people who have traditional back surgeries that still have back pain because the source of the back pain has never been addressed. And the Deuk laser disc repair that you had, we cured the back pain and the leg pain. So do you
Yes.
feel
We went to the
cured?
source.
Yeah,
Yes.
we went to the source. Do you feel cured today?
Yes, I do.
So the back pain you had before my surgery yesterday is still there?
No.
Gone.
Yes.
Awesome. And the leg pain you had before surgery?
Gone.
Gone.
Yeah, it was radiating all the way down to my toes, and now it's good.
Good.
Yeah.
Good for you. You look like a new woman. You're bubbly.
I am. Well, I'm normally bubbly. You've only
Okay.
seen me grumpy back-wise.
So the pain changed your personality is what you're saying.
It changed it back to what it was, yeah.
Yeah, well, the surgery changed it back to what it was.
Yeah.
But the pain made you a different person.
Oh, it did.
Would you agree?
Absolutely.
Yeah, and I see
He
this.
doesn't handle tears well, and there were some tears.
Yeah, how did it feel to not be able to do something to help her?
No, it's a helpless. Like I said, when we was in a motorcycle wreck, I was in a coma. She was taking care of me, and then whenever she was hurt, there was nothing I could do. Our family doctor threw oxycodone at her, did nothing, made her sick. It didn't help. Couldn't do anything. She was helpless, and
Yeah, I don't do
couldn't fix it,
meds.
so
I don't
if
do
can't fix
meds.
something, I'm a carpenter, so if I can't fix something, I gotta go. I'm out
So
here.
you understand, I'm a bit of a carpenter
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
And
You're
so-
working on a very, very complicated house.
well, I'm glad you're doing well, and I'm excited for your lives together and how it's going to be blessed without pain.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So congratulations.
Thank you.
Anything you want to say to the people before we leave?
Do it.
Same thing you said.
Yes.
Just do it.
Just do it. All right, good. Well, go and enjoy yourselves, guys.
Thank you.
Congratulations. All
We're
right.
gonna get sued by Nike.